This trick with pantyhose really works. Do it once and you'll save money and stress. Take one pair of pantyhose. They can be old and any color. Soak them thoroughly under running water. They need to be fully saturated. That's very important. Then fold them into a square and put them in the freezer for several hours. The material should be completely frozen. Once frozen, take them out of the freezer. Lay them out on the counter. Now cut the material. Keep only the leg sections. Use scissors to cut them into thin, even strips. Use all of it. Every inch counts. Once the strips are ready, roll each one between your hands. Repeat this for every strip. This simple step will give the material a new shape and elasticity. This way, you'll create reusable, soft hair ties that are gentle on the scalp and perfect for summer. Store them in your toiletry bag. Not only will you save money, but you'll also give a second life to an old pair of pantyhose. Try it once and you'll never throw any away again.